What makes Nuvali a must-consider for your next investment? Will it be the next Makati of the South? Let's find out. Nuvali, Nuvali, Nuvali. When we think of Nuvali, no, ang lagi nating naiisip ay ang famous man-made lake with its koi fish, the Ayala Mall Soledad 1, 2, and 3, SNR, and the Healthway Qualimed. But those are just the tip of the iceberg, no? There's much more to Nuvali than meets the eye, no? So again, for you to be knowledgeable about Nuvali, Nuvali is the largest eco-estate of Ayala here in the Philippines, approximately 2,400 hectares, and it is divided into 4 segments. Nuvali North, it is the main commercial business district. Nuvali Central, Nuvali Heights, and Nuvali South. By the way, I am Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy. For you to know me better, no, I will attach my introduction below sa description. So samahan niyo po ako sa aking extensive drive tour where I will share with you the existing, ongoing, and future projects here in Nuvali. So let's go po. Hello guys, welcome to my first extensive drive tour, no. Dito po tayo mag-start sa baba ng Laguna Boulevard exit of Calax. So if you're coming from Metro Manila, take tayo ng SLEX para mas mabilis po yung ating biyahe. Then from SLEX, exit lang po tayo ng Mamplasan. After Mamplasan po, there is a roundabout. Take lang po natin yung first exit and that will be the entrance of Calax. From Calax, take lang po natin yung very first exit which is Nuvali Boulevard or Laguna Boulevard, and yung baba nyo po ay dito na po. Ito po sa ating left side. So dito na po yung ating way papuntang Nuvali. So now in our right side, this is the ongoing Nuvali flyover po, no, na pag inopen po siya, pagbaba natin ng Laguna Boulevard exit from Calax, ito po yung magdadirect na to Nuvali. So ang ganda ng ginagawa ni Ayala dito, no? Hindi lang siya magaling gumawa ng wonderful estates, commercial districts, magaling din po siyang gumawa ng infrastructures na yung ini-improve niya din yung transportation system which will benefit all of its investors and residents and all the public going to Nuvali. And hindi lang po ito, no, yung exit natin from SLEX. Meron pa tayong other exits from SLEX na panggagalingan papunta po ng Nuvali. We have in Santa Rosa exit, Silangan, Canlubang, and in the future magkakaroon po tayo ng exit, Batino exit na mas accessible siya and malapit doon sa residential natin sa Nuvali South. And we are here right now sa front of Nuvali. Dito po makikita yung logo ni Nuvali. So before we enter po, no, sa Nuvali, i-feature ko lang po yung ginagawang SM sa other part po ng Nuvali. So you might be wondering, no, bakit merong SM dito sa Nuvali, and Nuvali is an Ayala land estate. So originally, Nuvali was owned by a Yulo family and it was a sugarcane plantation. So before selling ito Ayala, nagkaroon sila ng kasunduan na si Yulo ay magkaroon ng piece of Nuvali na in the future gagawin niya itong malaking mall. And right now, ongoing na po yung mall, and this mall will be called SM Yulo Premier. So ngayon, puntahan po natin and ipakita ko po sa inyo gaano kaganda yung ginagawa ni SM. And we are still here po, no, in Santa Rosa, Tagaytay Road. Makikita nyo na po yung development ng SM Yulo Premier. Share ko lang po, no, as you can see, meron pong another entry ng Calax dito. This one naman po is Santa Rosa exit and entry, no. Kung galing po kayong Calax, yung first exit natin is Laguna Boulevard. Dun po yung labas nyo sa may Nuvali. And dito naman yung second exit, paglabas nyo, SM Yulo Premier, part of Nuvali pa rin naman po. This is the another face of Nuvali, SM Yulo Premier. So, ano ba yung concept ng mall na gagawin dito, no? Ito po ay parang SM Aura-like ng BGC na which will cater the affluent or high-end market ng South. So, imagine, no? Meron na tayong Ayala Mall sa Sun Valley, meron pa tayong panibagong mall which is SM Yulo Premier. Grabe, no? Makikita nyo po dito gaano kalaki and kalawak po yung ginagawa ni SM Yulo Premier. This is a 3-hectare development and kinagandaan nito, meron siyang 1-hectare indoor garden. And good news po, no? According po sa aming reliable source, magkakaroon din po dito ng NU or National University. So, karagdagang school po inside Nuvali. And kung bakit po ba namin nalaman ito? Because we are in-house, focus po namin yung Nuvali. Siyempre, mas nauna po kaming i-update. Yun po yung advantage namin bago po ito i-announce sa public. I just want to congratulate lang po, no, to all the investors and to my recent clients lang po na nag-avail dito sa Nuvali, na I can think of how much po yung magiging property value ng appreciation once po na makomplete itong SM Yulo Premier.
And another good news po, no, to our homeowners, investors, and IKEA lovers na who loves to shop furnitures for their homes. According to our reliable source, in the future po, magkakaroon din po dito si Nuvali ng sariling IKEA. Sobrang convenient po ito, no, sa Nuvali residents na no need na po kayong lumayo or pumantang Pasay para umikot ng IKEA kasi we have na our own IKEA here in Nuvali. So, hearing these things po, no, alam po natin na something big is coming to Nuvali.
So now, balik na po tayo ng Nuvali and enter to one of the entrances in Nuvali po, no. In our right side, ito po yung Healthway Qualimed. This is our Ayala Brand Hospital, no. So ang kinagandahan, no, na we have our own hospital here in Nuvali as a infra, no, sa mga hospital outside po ng Nuvali. And share ko lang po, no, na ito po si Healthway Qualimed, magkakaroon po sila ng extension which is Kidney Center. So this is the first time na Kidney Center itatayo dito outside Metro Manila. And kinagandahan po nun, andito pa siya sa south, dito pa mismo sa Nuvali. And dito naman po located yung Jollibee, our newest branch ng Jollibee dito sa Nuvali po, no. And this one is the Coffee Bean and Tea Leaf. Ang kinagandahan niya, meron na siyang drive-thru, meron pa siyang viewing deck sa taas na yung view niyo po doon ay buong Nuvali. And this one is the Uniqlo roadside store na may sariling green park. And this is the 700th branch of McDo here in the Philippines, no. And kinagandaan niya, meron din siyang drive-thru. Share ko lang po, no, nasabi ng isa sa well-known brokers na maganda mag-invest nearby McDo branches. Bakit? Kasi nagtatayo lamang daw ang McDo branch sa mga area na magaganda ang developments, may future sa area na ito. Kumbaga, they already did the feasibility study for you po. And here in our left side is the SNR, one of the shopping centers here in Nuvali. And doon po, no, sa ating left side, doon po located yung terminal ng ating P2P from Nuvali to Makati Ayala 1. And here in our left side is the Ayala Mall Solenad 3. Kumbaga, we have po Solenad Malls 1, 2, and 3. Sa Solenad 1 po, doon yung located yung ating famous man-made lake with its koi fish. And in our right side, ito na po yung ating 10th branch of Landers here in the Philippines, one of our shopping centers here in Nuvali. So as we go along Nuvali Boulevard po, no, the main road here in Nuvali, liko po muna tayo sa one of the pocket business district here in Nuvali called East Block. So share ko lang po, no, one of the pocket business districts here in Nuvali North. This one is East Block. This is 11.7 hectares in size na in the future magkakaroon po dito ng buildings for offices, and ang allowed uses or pwede tayuan dito ay schools, hotels, condominiums, or hospital, na ang kagandahan nito na once finished ito ay para siyang mini version of BGC na more relaxed, as mid-rise buildings lang po ang itatayo dito and maraming open spaces. And merong gagawing malaking garden po between those buildings ang gagawin doon and called East Block Garden. And this is the newly opened office building in Nuvali, no, which is called LHK South. I think this year nag-start na mag-operate yung business and mag-accept na ng tenants for business opportunities sa mga private companies natin. This one is the Monochrome Events Place, one of the high-end events place here in Nuvali, na ang kagandahan if you have big events like wedding or company events or corporate meetings, pwede nyo po yan i-rent out ang ating magandang events place. And here in our left side is our Nuvali Techno Hub. It will be the future IT and BPO hub here in Nuvali. So it will create jobs and opportunities here in the South for IT and BPO professionals na hindi na kayo lalayo or luluwas pa ng Metro Manila kasi we have our own Techno Hub na here in Nuvali. It has 2 buildings with 6 stories each and a gross floor area of around 30,000 square meters, and the target opening of this Techno Hub is by last quarter of 2024. So ito po ang isa sa abangan ninyo, the Nuvali Techno Hub. And ito po dagdag nyo din po sa list ng aabangan nyo here in Nuvali, the Museum for Architecture and Residences. This is not an Ayala Land property but this is located inside Nuvali. And this is designed by an international architect, Su Fujimoto, and partnered with Kalma Properties to give birth to this wonderful building. And this is a mixed-use development na meron siya museum, exhibits, and very limited luxury condos na may sariling onsen in Japan term or hot spring. Don't worry, I will feature this again in the future para updated po kayo sa development nito. And this one is the Seda Hotel, an Ayala brand hotel, and we have newly opened Tower 2 just last year. So another 250 rooms yung inopen dito for our new visitors na magstay dito sa Seda Hotel. So balik po tayo sa Nuvali Boulevard papuntang Nuvali Central and South. Here naman po sa area in our right, just in the front of East Block is the North Central Business District. No final announcement po but its size is almost 5 times of East Block. Imagine what will happen here if completed na yung East Block and this North Central Business District na we have our own BGC na here in Nuvali. And here naman po sa roundabout papuntang Nuvali Central, yung first exit natin dito, ito po yung papuntang Casilla Road, the shortcut na road po papuntang Tagaytay Highlands, ng Canlubang Golf Club. Kaya po yung papuntang Nuvali Central, sa second exit po tayo. And by the way, in regards po sa ating security inside Nuvali, we have 2 levels of security. First, the Nuvali Estate Security, sila yung nagro-roving around Nuvali Estate to ensure that the estate is safe for all homeowners, investors, tenants, and visitors. If napapansin nyo po yung guard house na yan, sila po ay part ng Nuvali Estate Security. Sila yung nagmo-monitor around the area and nag-enforce ng law and nag-ensure ng safe dito pong area. And the second security po is the village security. Sila naman po yung guards na nasa gates kung saan nag-check sa mga nag-enter and exit sa subdivision. So one of the reasons why it is good to invest in Nuvali because of its security. Paglampas nyo ng guard house is the central block. This is a 12-hectare commercial spaces na ang purpose nito ay to give convenience to all the residents inside Nuvali, na in the future di na kayo pupunta pa ng Nuvali North in Soledad Malls, etc. to shop and mag-grocery kasi you have your own na dito. So baba po tayo dito sa viewing deck para makita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang gagawin dito sa Central Block. So this is the Central Block po na ang concept niya ay parang Alabang Town Center and again to give convenience to Nuvali residents. So currently po ang ginagawa dito sa Central Block ay the Merry Mart and the shops. Ang Merry Mart para po siyang grocery stores na may pharmacy, etc. And the shops, retail stores po siya with restaurants and alfresco dining. So the other commercial lots po na pwedeng itayo po dito, pwedeng tertiary school, condo, hotels, or hospital. And ganito po yung facade ng mga building na pwedeng gawin dito. Mid-rise lang po siya and earth colors to blend with nature. And kinagandahan po ito sa Central Block kasi meron po siyang malaking open space sa gitna na purely for parks lang po siya kasi knowing Ayala po generous siya sa open spaces. And here po sa right side natin, if nakikita nyo po itong forest na ito, this is part of the 120-hectare carbon forest inside Nuvali. And we already planted 50,000 and more trees sa forest na ito, And just to share with you po na did you know that Calamba City is titled as the cleanest air in the Philippines and ranking 6th pa in Southeast Asia. And I am just proud na isa si Nuvali sa nag-contribute ng clean air dito sa Calamba City. So, if you want to retire or mag-migrate to other location in a safe, exclusive, and with cleanest air, you know where to go, you know who to call, and that's me. And this one is Xavier School, one of the schools inside Nuvali. This is a Jesuit Catholic school which offers early education up to high school. So sa families po with kids na gusto sa Xavier School mag-aral, we have po here inside Nuvali. Actually since malapit na po dito yung ino-offer namin na condo, daanan lang po natin siya. So this is Solara Park Storage Nuvali, our very first pet-friendly condo in the Philippines. And what I am so proud of, kasi yung groundbreaking niya was just last March 13, 2024 lang, or this year. And look at the progress of the development as of today, July 10, 2024. Nasa 4th floor na po siya. And iba po talaga pag si Ayala gumawa, kasi fully budgeted lahat ng projects, wala tayong problema sa turnover, you have peace of mind po sa pag-invest dito. So balik po tayo sa main road sa Nuvali Boulevard, papunta na po tayo Nuvali South. Ang gandang manirahan dito sa Nuvali, look at this main road po, merong trees sa both sides, merong jogging and walking path sa median strip, merong designated lane for bikers, no spaghetti wires na may kita, lahat po ay underground, and there's a space pa po for future expansion ng road. No traffic, less stress. Alam mo yung feeling na parang nasa ibang bansa ka, And for our viewers, clients, or OFW na gustong mag-retire here in the Philippines, I suggest po na you consider here in Nuvali. Bakit? Na hindi nyo na po isa-sacrifice yung lifestyle na meron po kayo dyan sa ibang bansa, kasi andito na sa Nuvali ang more relaxing lifestyle and conveniency. Before going to Nuvali South, I just want to share lang po in our left side is the Rockwell South. You might be wondering why is there a Rockwell development inside Nuvali? Actually, they aren't part of Nuvali, but their property line ay nakadikit dito sa Nuvali Boulevard. So, ano ba yung gagawin nila dito? Rockwell South is approximately 60 to 70 hectares. May gagawin silang subdivision, commercial, and according to our reliable source, maglalagay din po sila dito ng power plant mall. So what will happen, Nuvali residents will also benefit sa mga commercial spaces na itatayo ni Rockwell dito, and vice versa, Rockwell residents will also benefit sa mga commercial spaces, leisure parks here in Nuvali. So punta na po tayo sa Nuvali South. And now we are heading to Nuvali South. And as you can see, yung daan natin ay pataas na ng pataas. Kasi as we go south, the elevation gets higher and higher. And yung sa tumbok po na yan, in this steer road, that is a 10-hectare allotted area for commercial spaces. Na ang plan ni Ayala na itatayo dito in the future is an alfresco mall. Na ang kinagandahan, once ma-finished itong mall, you will have a nice view of buong Nuvali, Laguna de Bay, Mount Makiling, and Tagaytay Ridge. So, another conveniency po ito sa Nuvali South residents na hindi na kayo pupuntang Nuvali North to shop and dine, kasi meron na po tayong sariling mall dito sa Nuvali South. So let's go right po, daanan po muna natin ang other schools here in Nuvali. This is the Everest Academy, one of the schools inside Nuvali. This is an international Catholic school which currently offers pre-kinder up to grade 5. Now in our left side, this is the Miriam College Nuvali, and currently offers pre-kinder up to senior high school. And according to our reliable source, in the future magkakaroon po sila ng expansion for college building. So aside from the schools po inside Nuvali, which are Xavier School, Everest Academy, Miriam College, there are other famous schools na nakapalibot pa dito sa Nuvali, like De La Salle, Ateneo, Don Bosco, UST. Now we can proudly say na in this Metro South, where Nuvali is located, will be the university belt in the south. So let's go, puntahan na po natin yung isa sa activation area na almost katapat lang po na gagawing alfresco mall in the future that will benefit Nuvali South residents. So now in our left side is that 31-hectare play park, which is composed of 3 sectors. First is the trails. Ongoing po ang development niya. This will be the trails for bike, sa mga bikers po natin dyan. In the future, this will be your hangout place. And the trails will test your biking skills, as the land is a hilly terrain or elevated landscape. The second sector is the community, which is composed of garden center, green corridor na parang botanical garden po siya in Baguio, and dog park. Sa mga dog lovers po natin dyan, pwede po tayo mag-hangout dito. And the third sector, but the first one to open is Driving Range Nuvali. Ito po yung dating Wake Park, if you're familiar, na kinlosed na siya during pandemic. and nagkaroon ng innovation, improvement, and ngayong ginawang driving range Nuvali na you can practice your swing here. And meron po ditong sariling events place na you can rent out if you want po dito maganap ng inyong celebrations or meetings. And meron na din po ditong shop for golf shirts and accessories. And one good thing here no, in Nuvali South, since mataas na po ang elevation, you have a good view of Laguna de Bay and Antipolo Rizal Mountain. So imagine gaano kahangin dito, gaano kalamig, na parang nasa Tagaytay if dito ka nakatira sa Nuvali South. So to answer my question a while ago, no, what makes Nuvali a must consider for your next investment? As you may know, no, Ayala Land is renowned for its master plan developments such as Makati, BGC, Alabang Town Center, and Cebu IT Park. So given Ayala Land's track record, property prices and appreciation tends to increase over time. So ngayon, hanggat hindi pa fully completed itong Nuvali, today is the best time to invest. Imagine now owning a property here in Nuvali, parang binili mo na yung schools, malls, shopping centers, leisure parks na lahat ay sobrang convenient na sa inyo. So will it be the next Makati? The answer is a big yes, but in a better upscale, no? Because Nuvali is more on spaces, more on greeneries, many recreational activities, and Ayala Land has been learning from their own development. They learn from their own mistakes and they copy whatever they've done correctly, and ina-apply lahat po nila ito dito sa Nuvali. So if you want to know more about the properties that I am selling, house and lot, lot only, and condominiums, you can reach me through my Facebook page, The Estate Savvy, or you may contact me through my WhatsApp or Viber at 0917-140-5564. So I hope po no, nag-enjoy po kayo sa aking first drive tour, and nalibot naman po natin ang Nuvali, tapos naipakita ko po sa inyo ang mga projects na andito. So don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates here in Nuvali. So once again, I am Renz Pagiligan, the Estate Savvy, your property specialist in the South.